If you're installing a standard A2 style buttstock, you'll need to add this spacer to the buffer tube. The takedown pin is also installed at this time, as the spring and detent are held in place by the buttstock. Apply a little oil to the takedown pin and push it into the lower from the right side. Install the detent from the rear end, followed by the spring, which should protrude slightly. Slide the buttstock over the buffer tube, being careful not to bend the detent spring. Now secure the butt plate to the stock, and here's the completely assembled lower receiver.